Hi all, in today's video we will learn how to solve a Pyraminx cube. So Pyraminx cube, first of all a Pyraminx cube is a 4-colored cube. It has blue, red, green and yellow, 4 colors. First we have to learn some basic concepts in Pyraminx. So like in 3x3 center piece is fixed. In Pyraminx center is also moving. In 3x3 center is one color. In Pyraminx center is one colored but 3 centers are there in Pyraminx. First, this is the centerpiece, this is the second centerpiece and this is the third centerpiece. So these 3 centers move from their place. So it is quite hard to solve the Pyraminx one. So I am going to tell you how to solve it very efficiently. So these 3 are centers. The piece which are got twisted are corners. And the remaining these are the edges. So like 3x3, first we have to fix the center. But in the 3x3, center is fixed. Here center is not fixed, so we have to fix it. First I will scramble the cube. So you can see our Pyraminx cube is scrambled now. So we have to solve it layer wise like 3x3. In Pyraminx, this is the downmost layer. This we have to solve the first. This is the second layer. And this last twisted piece is the last layer. We cannot call it layer, but it is known for. To decide where which center will come, we have to see the corners of the Pyraminx. If the 3 color corners make a triangle, means I can see green, green and green. Green, green and green. They make a triangle, they are same. So green centers will come here. Green, green and green, okay? I will tell you one more time. So here 3 same corners should be come. So green, green and green. It could be any, you can find any one of them. So I found green. You maybe it be yellow or red or blue. So I have found the green ones. So I have to fix the center of those. So to fix the center, I am going to do the following steps. Listen carefully. So this is the center here of which is going to fix here. So I will twist this piece here and bring back here. So you can see center is fixed. Another one is here. It may be here or here. So to come it this side, we have to do the following steps. Twisted, come back. Okay. So forget about this piece. We have got 3 centers aligned at a proper place. So our first most step of completing the layer is completed. So we have done with the centers. Now as like 3x3, after centers we have to make the edges. Here are 3 edges. So first we have to find the edge piece. The 2 colored ones are edge. So I have found the piece green and red. So it will come here. You can assume that green and red. So piece will come green and red. Okay. See here it is green and red. So the piece will also green and red. So green is on the down side and red will be on this side. So first if we have to insert here. So do the following step. If the green is this side, do U, R, U, R down. So you can see the piece is fixed here. Now the second one. So green and yellow, and this is green and yellow. Start. So we can see our pieces are fixed now. But sometimes there is problem in the fixing of pieces. I will tell you what is the problem. So sometimes what happens now, the pieces, some are on the correct place, and here the piece should be red and green, but the piece is blue and green. So fix this problem, I have a method. So you have to first bring this piece in the upper layer. So do the following step. Done. We have got the piece in the upper layer. Now we have to see which is the place it is to be inserted. It is to be inserted on this place, blue and green, blue and green. So the piece is here and it must go here. So apply the following steps. U, R, U. So you can see the piece is inserted. Now we have to insert the green, red, green, red. Same. Sometimes this piece and the layer both get togetherly solved. So you can see that our green layer is completed now. Going further to the second layer. So as we seen, our first layer was solved. You can see this is the downermost layer. So this is solved. Now we have to solve the second layer. Excluding this piece, all the part you can see this is the second layer. So to solve it, first we have to match a piece, edge piece of any side. So this edge piece is on the back side. So I have got this matched. So I will keep it on the back side slope of mine and apply the following steps. So I have to do the same. See this. R down, R up, L up. So you can see that one green piece has come up. So to put it inside, we have to do the common insertion step. So now you can see that same situation as rise again. So keep it on the slope and do until all the three edges get matched to the pyramid. Okay. So you can see my three edges are matched to the three slopes of the pyramids. So you have done almost 95% done of the second layer. So fixing of these piece is only remaining. So how to fix it, I am going to tell you. So our three colors are fixed. Now we have to do the final step of fixing these three colors. So you have to do a very simplest algorithm similar to the 3x3 cube. That is R, U backward, R down, U, R upward and U again. You can see that our whole pyramid is got solved. So sometimes in not one go the cube is solved. You have to apply the algorithm multiple times and your cube will get guaranteedly solved. This is the easiest method to solve the pyramids and hope you loved it. Thanks for watching.